comrades met with the Minister of Justice, DPPF, and the set of the Minister of Justice to see that we get justice for justice court. We followed up on this matter for quite a while. We are unfortunately in court today. Another lawyer, who Professor Far Jr., appeared in court and said he has instructions of St. Francis to lead or to represent the system. And I said, well, that's okay. He has a right to it.
You said that's okay?
I said, that's okay. He has a right to it. But I've been hearing, some rumors. Although he never approached me before the court. He waited till the moment of appearance to say that if another lawyer is and I intend to proceed to take over such a the duty of me is to approach that lawyer. I said, I have instructions of so. I didn't just come to this matter on my own. It was the wife of the husband. I reached out to her and ceased in Abuja. So on that basis that I took up this matter pro bono. I have never taken a proposal from anybody in this matter. I have defended this craft from day one at the risk and expense of my life and liberty, free of charge. I have filed matters in this case free of charge. For most of the high-profile cases you see that I do in Abuja today, they don't pay me. So I had a vacation till the end of this month, but I thought the vacation was on account of this case. I came back to Nigeria for this matter. But when the young, he did not approach me. He just stood up in court and appeared and announced his appearance. And he just said, this is not the procedure. The last time, Marshal
according to legal standards.
According to legal standards, this is not the procedure. The last time, it was the Marshal that led the case. Why are we having it here? We have to ask some persons to appear for the defendant. And I told the judge, said, well, Marshal, now you have a choice. Are you going to withdraw your appearance, which is the normal thing to do? I said, well, my Lord, in view of what I respectfully withdraw. And once you withdraw an appearance in a matter, the consequential orders must be made, which includes every process required in the
Please, can I ask you one question, sir? Please, according to what you have said now, you've told us that most of the cases that you follow is based on humanitarian services.
Purely humanitarian.
Okay. Now, if actually you were doing humanitarian service to Justice Craft, you should understand the circumstances and allow the case to continue based on humanitarian.
Case continued.
No, I mean the bail argument today.
The bail argument wouldn't have proceeded once you would. The procedure is this: once the judge withdraws his appearance in the matter, the application badge get.
You can't be an oppressor fighting oppressors. It's not possible. You are an oppressor.
Having withdrawn your appearance,
I want my voice to be there.
your application goes.
Okay, sorry, sir. So now we are trying all the effort that you've been working for the past weeks has been aborted. So now we are starting afresh again.
Nothing has been aborted. The court was good enough.
So are you withdrawing from the case officially?
Officially, I have withdrawn from the case.
You are withdrawing from the case.
It doesn't mean we will not continue our decisions for Justice Craft's.
But it means, sorry, sir. It simply means since you decided to withdraw today, it means we have to start afresh again with the bail condition or the bail argument. I don't know the legal term that you use.
There is no such thing.
Can we continue from where you stopped? That's where you withdraw.
The court clearly stated it in court.
You wrote a petition and remanded Billard because Billard was having an issue with Barry that man. Is that how a public interest money be heard?
Based on the application of the
they don't work on you.
It simply means they have
all of us go by next day.
Please, I know you will not tell us. I know you will not tell us. I think it is humanly right to ask questions. If you don't have any tips from anywhere or anybody advise you against the case and all that, so that we should know where. I know you will not tell us.
I was in Europe yesterday.
Okay.
I thought my stay to come back
because of this case.
If I have an interest, if I have a contrary interest in this matter, I will not stand in court to make this application. They never even served the counter on us. I was telling the judge that your lordship, despite the failure to serve the counter, we still intend to proceed. Because we believe that we can make. Why are you withdrawing from the case? I'm not withdrawing from the. I'm withdrawing from the court. I'm the lead counsel in this matter. But what we're saying is this: I was informed. There are so many behind the scenes. I think principally what necessitated today's dichotomy as far as legal procedural is concerned. I think it's just the anger with PDM. Yes. And it's quite unfortunate. I often tell people, those of us in the left, we are very few. We're in danger. It does not serve any useful purpose to see that the people who are in danger are fighting amongst us. We have a bigger and a major enemy, which is the Nigerian state that has decided to ensure that in this country, democracy does not strive, the freedom and liberty of Nigerians are not preserved. This is the bigger major foe of the project. And as a person who often insists that
Nigerians are concerned about the fact
when I'm done, last question, that it does not serve any purpose to see that leftists, either mild leftists or hardcore leftists or revolutionary leftists, are fighting